terminal, terminal.
Which terminal should we go to for international flights?
This terminal is newly built and very modern.
There are many shops and restaurants in this terminal.
Departures, departures.
Our flight departure time is 8 a.m.
Please check the departure board for your gate number.
There is a slight delay in our departure.
Arrivals, arrivals.
What time does your flight arrive?
The arrival hall is on the ground floor.
We should wait in the arrivals area for them.
Check-in counter, check-in counter.
Excuse me, where is the check-in counter for this airline?
You need to go to the check-in counter to get your boarding pass.
The check-in counter opens 2 hours before departure.
Boarding pass, boarding pass.
Can you show me your boarding pass, please?
Keep your boarding pass handy. You'll need it for security.
Your boarding pass has your seat number and gate information.
ID, ID. Please have your ID ready for check-in.
I forgot my ID at home. Can I use my passport instead?
Your ID must match the name on your ticket.
Luggage, luggage. Have you weighed your luggage?
You are allowed 1 carry-on and 1 checked luggage.
Make sure your luggage is properly tagged.
Gate number, gate number.
What is the gate number for this flight?
Check your boarding pass for the gate number.
The gate number has changed. Please follow the announcements.
Security checkpoint, security checkpoint.
Please have your boarding pass and ID ready for the security checkpoint.
There might be a line at the security checkpoint, so arrive early.
At the security checkpoint, you'll need to place your items in a tray.
Liquids and electronics, liquids and electronics. Place your liquids in a clear plastic bag.
Remove all electronics from your bag for scanning.
Your electronics need to be placed in a separate tray.
Immigration, immigration.
You need to go through immigration before you can enter the country.
The immigration officer will ask you a few questions.
The The immigration officer will ask about your duration of stay.
Passport. Passport. Can I see your passport, please?
Make sure your passport is valid for at least 6 months.
I lost my passport. What should I do?
Visa. Visa.
You need to specify the purpose of your visit on the visa application.
Do you have a visa for this country?
My visa is expiring soon. How can I extend it?
Duty free. Duty free. The duty-free shop has a great selection of perfumes.
Airport shopping can be a great way to pass the time.
I bought some duty-free chocolates for my friends.
Currency exchange. Currency exchange.
Where is the currency exchange counter?
I need to exchange some dollars for euros.
The currency exchange rates at the airport can be high.
Delay. Delay.
There is a delay due to bad weather.
Our flight has a 2-hour delay.
I'm worried about missing my connection because of this delay.
Line. Line. We need to stand in line to board the plane.
Please form a line here.
The line for security is very long. Row number. Row number.
What is your row number?
My seat is in row number 15.
Passengers in rows 20 to 30 may now board.
Aisle. Aisle.
I prefer an aisle seat.
Could you move a bit? I need to get to the aisle.
The flight attendant is coming down the aisle with drinks.
Window seat. Window seat.
I would like a window seat, please.
The window seat offers a great view.
She always chooses a window seat.